Okay, so
Go.
I can just, yeah. So we're gonna start off. I'm doing food from Australia. This is Vegemite.
It's gone.
What is
Sorry.
Hello. Vegemite. It's like what we put on toast, and you like it's in every house, so it's very common. But usually it's not in a tube. This is like a traveler's. All my friends take tubes of this with them when they like go on holiday because they can't like, actually live without it. It makes me laugh. It's really, really good in a grilled cheese, or some people put honey on it. It's very cold now here. It's not gonna be amazing, but you put it with butter on white bread, and I put that much on it, and it's still like a lot. It's very, very strong. And we say happy little Vegemite.
Okay, happy little Vegemite. Okay, cheers.
It's so Greta.
I'm just trying
Everything was jumping.
Skål. Skål.
Wait. It's literally you. You're a bad influence. What do you think?
Tastes like Vegemite. Tastes like Vitam.
Is it strong enough? Do you need more?
It's okay, thank you. It's not strong enough. You can
Would it
taste.
be better if the bread was crispy and hot? That's how it started off.
I don't think you get it.
I'm
It's so salty.
You wanted people to eat salty licorice?
Yeah, I know.
But it's.
Is that what I think?
I'm sorry, but.
Do you want more?
No, it's okay, thank you. I don't love it. It's better than the last time I tasted it.
One day I'll make you a grilled cheese and I'll put it in it.
I don't love it. Sorry.
It's okay.
We still love you, Australia.
Yeah. So what would you rate it?
I think I would give it a 2.
Um,
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
it's what? Well, I would.
A 2? It's okay. I understand. I was expecting it kind of.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna give it a 3. What is that?
It's a caramel cola, and usually they're like big. This is like the miniature size.
Oh, so it's like.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
so cute.
This is like a wacko packaging though, I don't know if it looks different. But it's like a Freddy Frog, but the Australian version.
Oh.
And I really like them. And the best one, actually it's not really caramel.
What?
I'm gonna say my favorite are the strawberry Freddy Frogs, but it's not. Do you have Freddy Frogs? Do you know what I'm talking about? Never mind.
I am prepared.
Oh my god, I love that.
Really?
Mm.
Yeah. We need to come back after that. One time, Cadbury.
Whoa.
Cadbury made like a chocolate bar, and it was Vegemite flavored, and it had caramel Vegemite in the middle.
And it was good?
No.
Oh. Well, I was really excited, like, what wasn't it? I don't know what is in the chocolate, but something in the chocolate tastes good.
Yeah, got it.
I like it because like if you hold it for a long time, it melts, and then it gets all like.
What would you rate it?
I don't know if I would say 7 or 6.
Yeah, me too.
6.5?
6.5.
6 and
Yeah.
3/4?
6 3/4. I'll take it. Okay, so I have
This
mustard
looks
sticks.
weird.
These are really like stale, so they're usually a bit softer than this.
It's breaking.
Also, a lot of Australians don't like these, so I will understand if you like them. They're very weird.
Ew!
Yeah.
This is like.
What is this?
I love
This
it.
is like gum
You
or
love it?
something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like that.
What is that?
I don't
It's
know.
very weird. All of the things I have are kind of weird.
What is this? It tastes like, not like medicine, but...
I will give this 3 because it's so weird that it's kind of cool.
Thank you. See, I was going for the experience. I wasn't going to try and impress you or to make you fall
Yeah.
in love with our food. I'm going to try and
Show your culture. The broad spectrum of it.
I think I'm gonna give it a 1. I prefer Vegemite.
I'm trying to make a comeback with the Tim Tam.
Yeah, that's good.
You already had it.
That looks like a thing in Norway, but it's not. And Greta was like, did you take drugs? And I was like, no, just don't do drugs, kids. It's bad for your health. I'm an influence.
Thank you. So what do you want to tell us about that?
Yes.
It's melting.
Tim
Tim Tam. And Anna, you need to try. Oh, you can try with your tea. Wait, no, but you need a new one.
How did you do that?
So
You
you
put
buy
this?
that
Mhm.
and that.
Yeah.
And then we go.
That was the other side. But it's, oh shit. Wait, it's gonna disintegrate. You need to be fast.
This is not going to work. No, I don't have enough tea. I will give that 8.5. I really like it. It's super good. I'm going to do it properly once though. Like
Yeah.
afterwards.
I'm gonna give it an 8 also. It's very good. I love to have a hot chocolate because it's the different ways you can eat it. It's changing the consistency and it's changing the taste and
It's so good. It's great. So the next thing is a cherry rice, which again, I feel like Australia, like 50-50 people like this. But it's the favorite of my dad and it's one of my favorites and you're not gonna like. It's called coconut.
Oh, true. I already tasted it.
Oh yeah.
It's okay. I'm gonna take a bite of Anna's.
Yeah, we can.
If you would like coconut, it would be perfect for you. But it doesn't taste like cherry.
If there's any Norwegians watching, this is like chocolate twist. Twist med kokosnøtt. Wait. But with cherry.
Do you think it tastes like cherry?
Hmm?
Do you think it tastes like cherry?
No, but like something fruity.
I would rate it a 6, even though I don't like chocolate. I like coconut because I think if you like coconut, the consistency is very cool. It's like weird, but it's good weird. So I like it, and that's also the reason why I would like taste it again because the consistency. But you don't taste the chocolate, only the weird consistency.
I would give it 7.
That's okay.
It's a Lamington. It's kind of stale because it comes from Coles in Australia. If you're from Australia, you know what Coles is. It's like a supermarket. But it's not the same texture necessarily. It's not usually that hard. We usually eat it on Australia Day or... And it's a sponge cake with chocolate icing or frosting on the outside and then desiccated coconut.
Tastes really like nothing.
I feel like if you ate it like on Australia Day, like when you bought it
And
that
it's
day,
fresh, yeah.
it
if
would
you
taste
make it-
really good, but it doesn't taste anything. I don't know how to rate it. I would like to try it for real one time. I think it would be good. But
I'm
I
gonna
don't know
try
how
and
to
make them, but I tried to make them once and it didn't work out.
I'm gonna rate it, I don't know, a 3 because it doesn't taste bad.
Yeah.
So I can't rate it bad, but it doesn't taste like anything.
Yeah. I'll join your 3.
A 3?
Yeah.
We're very low scoring Australia.
Yeah.
The last thing is minties, and these are my favorite, and they remind me of movies, and they're just like
The movies?
mint candy. Yeah, I always take them to the movies. And usually when I eat it, I hold it in my hand for a good 10 minutes to let it not be so hard.
Ow.
But the more you chew it, the softer it
I'm
becomes.
not stuck.
Ow.
You gotta give it time.
In German, we say it's a Plombenzieher.
It comes chewy.
Okay. Right now it tastes like the dentist.
I remember
Dentists are going to kill me when they see that I'm eating
but
this.
at least it's minty. Ow.
Huh? I don't get this candy. It's so hard. Ow.
It's
My
not
teeth.
used to being in Canadian cold.
It tastes no?
No.
Minty. I don't know if you noticed either, but like all the Australian food has like health star rating.
What?
Thing is, it's good enough to be 7 or 8, but I don't know if I would like buy it. So maybe 6 or 6.5.
What? That's good.
I
think
think
it's not-
from Greta.
Oh, it hurt.
Really?
I feel like we're being mean to Australia.
No.
hurts. So I'm gonna give it a 2.
Oh, good. Well, no.
Oh my god, I love it.
That's all marks from Australia.
But it tastes
tastes
good.
like
It's like-
because like it's
When you say it's from the taste, it's a 7.
Okay.
But the constant.
Maybe you should like pick one of the others and you should drink water or something.
Yes, because I really need to drink water.
Yeah,
because
we'll have a
otherwise
break
it
to
won't
drink
taste the
some
same
water.
diarrhea rule. Sour.
What the fuck? It's green.